How you doing, friends? The YouTube. I'm doing a review box for Temu. I want you guys to see too. It's closed. Everything is closed. It cost me like $16. Knifers. $16. Let's see. Box. Get in a box. What do you think, guys? What do you guys think is inside? First, bags is kind of cheaty. Cheap plastic. And you guys ready? Let's go this way. You guys ready? $16 I paid for this thing. Two batteries. Bunch of wheels. Cutting wheel. And sanding wheels. Very cheap charger. That's maybe like weigh 1 pound. It's a grinder. Kind of developed, like fake. It's kind of decent, so. Come with the guard. This one later. Come with the handle. And I promise, guys, I paid $16 for this thing. What do you guys think? For Temu. Can we just put battery to see what? Oh, let's put a cutting wheel. Careful. It's a baby. It's kind of scary. It's kind of scary, this thing. You guys think? Put the battery and try? We need to charge the batteries first. It's like very cheap plastic. You guys think work? Let's try. It work. Notice if you guys press this handle, it's stuck. So you guys got like, you guys see this like a light for something? I don't know what this thing do, but it work. Oh, it's like a low speed, 5 speed, kind of cool. 21 bowls. What do you guys think? It's compatible with my DeWalt. Let me get my DeWalt. So this is my DeWalt, and this is my Temu. What do you guys think? You think this is gonna be good for the type of work I do? The grinder is kind of like, it's kind of baby one. You see, like, see my DeWalt right here and my baby Temu. But let me know what you guys think by this one. I paid $16. I don't know if I can put this 6 inches Diablo wheel on the Temu grinder. What do you guys, how long you guys think this is gonna be last longer? It worked. Surprised me for $16. Batteries is kind of like good way. The only part I don't like is the charger. Charger is like very cheap plastic. But like, let me know what you think by this one. $16 for Temu. And I need to put this baby to work on Monday. And I'll let you know, guys. I'll let you guys know about how lasts longer the battery is, if you don't get overheat. But put it strong grinder for $16 for Temu, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Put it back in the box and I won't try it Monday. Peace. Thank you.